All right, so for this example, for apply it, we see that Carter rotated this 90 degrees clockwise. So remember, that's like a clock. So that means it's now going to be in this quadrant here, because you're moving it one quadrant over for it being 90 degrees clockwise. So remember, clockwise goes like this, like a clock. So when we go 90 degrees clockwise, that means that our x and y values switch positions, and what was your x is now negative. So remember, that's going to be that whole y negative x for this. And that's for if you have 90 degrees clockwise. So we'll start with j. So we have j at negative 4, 1. So j is at negative 4, 1. So we need to flip that. So that's now 1, negative 4. And what was your x value? So that negative 4 now becomes the opposite. So that becomes positive 4. So that's for your j prime. So that's going to go at 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's your j prime. So, well, they're trying to make w, x, y, z. So I guess that's your w, but regardless, that would be your j prime. You're going to do the same thing for now k. So remember, k is at negative 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4, positive 4. So again, you flip that. So that's 4, negative 4. And what was your x value? So that negative 4 becomes its opposite, so positive 4. So your new k is at 4, 4. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's your new one. And then for L, we're at negative 2, 6. So again, we start at negative 2, 6. We have to flip the order. So 6, negative 2. What was your x value? Negative 2. Now opposite. So now that's positive 2. So then you're at 6, 2. So 6, 2. So there's your new point there. Finally, for m, we are at negative 1, 5. So again, that's negative 1, 5. You flip it. So now that's 5, negative 1. And what was your x value becomes its opposite. So now that is positive 1. So your new point is at 5, positive 1. And then again, you just complete it by drawing it like so, by connecting the dots. So there's your new part. So then you have your w, your x, your y, and your z. That we found the points, the coordinates to be these here. So again, your w is that 1, 4 right here. Your x is that 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 4 right here. So that's your x. Your y is that 6, 2 that we found right here. And then your z is that 5, 1 that we found right here.